In this video, we will learn some miscellaneous tools in the sheet metal. Okay, let's first learn the rip tool. This is used to create a rip in the corner. Let's say when you're working with the sheet metal, one of the thing is you need to have one opening, which we can use to bend and create the flattened design. In this case, it's a closed loop, which is not ideal for our case. So using the rip tool, we'll select that edge where we want to create that rip, select what will be the gap of that rip and click OK. And thus it will create that rip. Okay, next we will export the corner tool where we have this option called closed corners. If we have a corner, we can close them. For example, let's say if we have this surface and we want to close the gap in between them, so let's select the first one, let's select the second one. Okay, and we want to define how much gap we want to keep in between. Let's say 0.5 millimeters, and then select which type you want. But corner type, overlap corner type, and underlap cover type. So for this example, let's use the overlap corner type. It will look something similar to this. It will have this lip instead all the way through. Once done, if you click OK, as you can see, it has, and also it is extended and kept the distance we mentioned. Okay, another corner tool, the use of corner tool can be, let's say, um, weld. Let's say you want to weld one of these corners that you have. Just select this one. So create a surface, or Solidworks will automatically detect which, if you are in a corner or not, and then create the welding. I mean, define the thickness of how much you want on this. 1 millimeter seems appropriate for this case. Click OK, and now you have a welded joint. Now there is no gap. It is common once you're done designing in sheet metal to join these portions, the open-ended portions, with some type of welding. Okay. Okay, and last but not the least, if you look into this, in these corners we are supposed to have some type of relief. Right now the relief corner is minimum, as we kept using this distance measures, but in the corner, if you think from an analysis that it's not enough, we can add one more break, a corner relief on those cases. So what we're going to do is go to the corners, select the corner relief, and from there select the object. Then select which type of corner you're looking for, 2-bend corner or 3-bend corner. Once you have selected that, collect all corners. SolidWorks will automatically identify all the corners for you. As you can see, it is showing you with these orange dots. Okay, you just need to define how much relief you want to add to the system. So let's say you want to add a circular relief in this case, and let's say you want to make it 1.5 millimeters. As you can see, it is showing you in the preview. Once done, just click OK, and that relief corner will be created on all 4 corners. Okay, then we have a vent tool. The vent tool is used to create vent designs. So let's see how the vent design works. We will open up a new sketch here. Okay, first thing first, we need to create a center line. Oh, using the line should also be fine. Okay, let's say we have this line here and this line here. Okay, and also let's create a circle. So for a circular vent, as we all know, it will have multiple grills and the ribs. So let's create those ribs and grills, and in the center it is completely filled. Okay, so let me delete the external or additional portions we have. So the center will be filled. These are called ribs, and other portion of the are called the grills of the vent. Okay, go into the sheet metal, select the vent. It is already automatic selected the outer portion of it and also the face. Now you need to select, if you go into the left property manager, the rib button. Where are the ribs? So this is the ribs, right? And let's say we decided to make it have a thickness of 2 millimeters. Then it is asking you where are the spars. So this is one of the spars, this is one of the spars, and we're still keeping it as 2 millimeters, right? Or if you want, you can just reduce the size for this 1.5 millimeters and select the fill boundary and select this sketch, and it will fill this area. Once done, click OK, and it has created the vent for you.